Hello, I am Marisol Lopez, September 27th, 2021. Okay, so today, before we start, I have images here. This is what I have on here. All right, so today we are going to talk about an overview of the skin and its appendages. There are 3 layers in the skin: epidermis, dermis, and the subcutaneous. So here I have all of them together. Okay, and then I also have them broken down. So let's see, here is the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous. All right, so in those 3 glands, in those 3 layers, skin layers, there are glands and they have nerves, hair, and fat. Each of those layers has a main function. So in the epidermis is the outermost layer. According to our text book, it is composed of stratified squamous epithelium. And this layer is it's our first line of defense. So the main function is protection. And so the next layer we have here is the epidermis. All right. Second. So the dermis, it's the inner layer of the 3 main layers of the skin. So this layer has connective tissue, blood vessels, oil and sweat glands. It has nerves, hair follicles. So the main function here is to support and protect and to assist the body in regulation and aid in sensation. So the last layer, here we have the subcutaneous. And in the last layer, the subcutaneous layer, which is the innermost layer, this particular layer is made up of mostly fat cells and connective tissue. So most of the body fat will be stored in this layer. Okay. So the main function, being that it's mainly fat, the main function of this layer is insulation and protection of the inner organs and muscles from shock or temperature changes. Okay, that was the 3 layers. Okay, and now we will talk about skin diseases. Well, just one particular skin disease, which will be melanoma. So we will talk about the skin disease with some sort of structural and functional changes. So this disease is melanoma, and according to our textbook and WebMD, it is the most dangerous skin disease. And the reason it is the most dangerous skin disease is because it spreads so quickly to other organs. It could quickly spread to the liver or to the lungs. So with that said, if it's caught early by a doctor, it's easier to treat. Otherwise, it's very hard. Okay, so the melanoma begins with melanocytes, and there are changes in pigmentations, spots or moles in the skin would be a big sign. So the patient, if they notice any of these changes, they should see a doctor and get it checked out because, like I said, it spreads very quickly to the liver and the lungs and other vital organs. So ways to prevent this would be to lessen our exposure to the sun and use sunblock anytime possible. Okay, thank you very much. And so that was the structure and functions of the 3 layers and a skin disease. Okay, once again, Marisol Lopez, September 27th, 2021. Thank you.